Oh, whoa, okay. That was surprising. Oh, that was kind of... That kind of, like, scared me. I was going down there, and I guess there was someone... Oh, gosh. Oh, I missed the headshot, but... Still okay, at least I got the kill. I used to snipe, like, a lot, but... Now I usually just go for... Assault or medic. Oh. Where is he? Yeah, this is front lines. Oh, well, we got that kill before I could. I usually just randomly fire the flares. Unless I actually see... Oh. Well, I mean, I was not prepared for that. Why won't it? It won't even let me... There we go. It didn't let me spawn there. It said it wasn't available. Front lines is like a... Where? Oh, that bullet. Oh, my headshot. Okay. Now I'm trying to get the person. Oh. Okay, so front lines is like a... I think, front lines is like a tug-of-war match. Just trying to... But it's not really tug-of-war since you're trying to push it to the other side. So it's sort of... Okay, let me get to the other side. Actually, no. There are people. I'm not gonna go there. No, please don't. Oh my gosh. Wow. Doubt I'll be revived. Nah, I'm not getting revived. I still can't believe we didn't get D. Ooh, there's just one hit though. He left that spot. Ooh, sweet, okay. No, please. There's someone like behind me. There's also someone behind that bush. Where is he? There. Late time to go. That was some bad time for me. Guess I could just let him go though. Oh, wait, really? Yep, I knew. See, I knew there was someone over there near the bush and tree and someone right there. We are taking C, so then he'll go to D. D, and then hopefully we could take E. Hopefully it would be quickly. Okay. I used to be really good with sniping, but I guess I just have to get back into it now. Gosh. Like I'm not used to... Oh my gosh. I'm just like not used to like the bullet drop. That's what I need to get used to. Leonfield, yeah. The starting sniper, and this is how I started sniping. This was probably the only sniper I used. There's one hit. They got him though. Oh, now we gotta rush to D. Oh, I missed it. Come on. Oh god. But we exchanged headshots.
Ich halte nicht mehr lange durch.
Please, can someone... I doubt anyone will revive me. Yeah, no one's gonna. Oh, I guess I could spawn here. They're over. Yeah, oh, I'm hitting him with the fire. I mean, that did some good damage. I hear someone over here. I hear someone though, like near me though. Like not far away, but they're near. Oh. Like yeah, they're over there behind me. Please let me get away. Okay, we're good. Oh, where? Oh my gosh. Whenever I'm on Twisted Steel, I can't find anyone. Like, I would see someone, I would try shooting them, but then for some reason there's like 2 guys flanking right behind me. It's weird. At least we got this far to E. I only hit him for half his health. There is someone in this house. Oh. Okay, good. Here we go. This revolver is seriously like OP. See? We get 1 shot to the head and it's instant. Come on, really kill. Okay, good. Well, that's 3 kills right there with the revolver. Hopefully we can get there. Okay, I got past. Oh my gosh! There's no way that scared me. 2 people just standing there. Probably should have crept upstairs and I could have got some kills, but I was trying to run away from those guys, from the people down there. Move! Oh my gosh, it's so crowded. Let me get through this window. Thank you. Yes, now we can finally go to the other side and at least try to win. All we have to do is kill this last guy who's in the sector. Still, I can't even hit this. There's someone in there though. I want to hit the people in there. Okay, now we have to blow up A, B, and C. Which take quite a bit of time. Oh, hello. Yeah, he just didn't look around him. Someone else. There you go. Guess they left the place or they died. Ooh. Someone else, thank you. That guy helped. Oh, this guy, they spawned. Oh, they spawned like right when I got up there. That was weird. Okay, now. Thank you. And I'm getting the hang of sniping now. I mean, I'll probably snipe more than as I did. We're good. Well, not say, oh. Thanks. Yeah, see, we're doing good. We have 35 more lives then. And then we'll go back to point E. Can't even hit this man. Dang it, they defuse C. Please. I can't even. Oh, someone else killed him. I wanted that kill. Just, I panicked. Probably just gonna stay on this side. Like the. Ooh, there's someone. Yeah, I took my time right there just because it's. Oh, he's laid down, so I've got a lot of time, and usually people who are doing that don't get up for a while. So, I gotta take my time on that. Another one. I need a. Ooh. Okay. Oh, I couldn't get that one, but. Dang. Oh. Oh. He's gonna escape. No. Get. There's still more. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well. I think they're all dead now. Guarantee it. Wow. Okay then. I didn't know if I could get that kill, but. Yeah. He got that headshot before me. We are controlling B, but no one's planting it. Let me plant it. Oh, they're gonna plant it. Never mind. No. He just rolled in and I panicked once again and I couldn't kill him. We have B and C armed with bombs. There's a tank right there. We just have to kill the last remaining forces and we can move on. Someone's in there. There we go, okay. It's pretty good. All we have to get is B and C. Let's do it this time. Usually there's big fights on this, like, this narrow strip of road. I think they're all left to go to protect the B and C. Oh my gosh. Somebody, please. This guy is literally, okay, I'm gonna wait for him to finally see me. No? No? Okay then. Have a good day then. He didn't. Oh, okay, there you go. That was weird though. I mean, he didn't by me. He was a medic. Oh no, couldn't get that one. Now, there's just a bit of problem with visibility in Battlefield 5. It's not big, but oh, nope. Dang.
We must attack the objective now.
Now we always. Why can't I get a? No, I can't even. Dang, I don't even know why I brought this sniper out. We still can't get. Oh. Please, can this? Thank you. I'm only good with like one sniper, the Craig Jorgensen. Ooh, you took me. I need health. Oh, there's a box over there. Thank you. Oh, what the? Oh, okay, there you go. That kind of makes up for it. He's dead, right? Yeah. Yeah, the only good sniper I'm good with is the Craig Jorgensen and somehow Corey Linefield and at moments the Gewer. Right there. And then I have the two other snipers, the Model 8 and the ZH-29, which both of those I'm not good with. And then I'm about to get this other sniper, the RSC. Oh, I hit someone with the AP mine. I'll tell you. Just had to make sure no one in that little bunker. Oh, wait, what? Oh my gosh. Well played. Yeah, here's the Craig Jorgensen. We used this in before in this game, so this is probably the only gun that I can get good headshots with. I'm gonna keep attacking B because nah, don't really want to attack C right now. Ooh, yes. Okay. Couldn't get that other one, but we can hide in this little foxhole. Retreat. Just make sure no one comes in by putting a P9 right there. I know it'd blow me up, but if I see someone, I can run. And if they kill me, I can kill them. Then we're just gonna shoot one bullet and then run back to the foxhole. Oh wait, what? Oh my gosh. What is up with all these? Oh yes. Okay. Survive, but we still can't even get B and C. Frontline is a good game, but it's just, oh no. If you got both equal teams, it can take forever. But that's why they have the time. Limited time, and I can't even kill that guy who is sitting down. Whoa, I really wanna kill that man, but please. This is what's wrong with the ZH-29. It has such a large recoil that you have to shoot, stop, shoot, stop, shoot. Like, that's the problem. That's why I don't really like it. We got E again, but
We have taken objective
still
Alien.
we
Good job.
can't blow up their last objectives, as always.
Be aware, all of the remaining objectives must be destroyed.
Let's finally see if we can end this game.
Ich sitz hier fest! Helft mir gefällig!
Doubt we will, but it's worth a try. Ooh, I want that kill if I had